Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you a both free and paid way to help you get a job using generative AI. Today we're going to look at Google Cloud's Gemini model and the Gemini model inside the Google Cloud console underneath the product Vertex AI. So I'm looking at this role for a data scientist. So it's got the description right here, some key responsibilities, some qualifications required and such. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get an artificial intelligence to actually help me identify what are the keywords or key things I need to highlight in my my CV to get noticed. So I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to head over to Gemini and I'm going to write here, using the job description pasted below, identify the key skills and keywords I should highlight in my CV. Let's put resume just to make sure it's okay. So now I'm just pasting the job description right there and let's click enter. Now, while this is running, there are obviously paid tools that you can use. There are some other tools as well. But what I don't want these tools to do my whole application for me. I still want to make my application myself and still kind of give my own personal touches. But what I just want to do here is have Google Gemini help me find a job by really identifying what should I highlight. So let's see what it did. It said you should highlight your key learning experience with algorithms, generative AI experience, natural language processing, and highlight my education and master skills. How should I highlight this in my resume? Well, clearly list the technical skills. Use the keywords when describing the previous roles. So, develop generative AI model that improved by 7%. That makes sense. And it gave me an example resume snippet. And remember, right now it has not seen my curriculum vitae. So let's now go to Vertex AI and see how Vertex AI actually helped with this particular section. So I'm going to take the same job description and I'm going to go to Google Cloud's Vertex AI. So I'm going to write here, using the job description below, highlight what are the key skills and qualities they are looking for, and what should I mention in my CV. Let's put resume just to be safe. So I'm going to go right, I didn't mean to click run, so just 1 second, apologies. But job description, paste it right here. Now what I did here is I went to edit and system instructions for Vertex AI. You can see that your recruitment, I told it to be your recruitment expert, trying to make sure the candidate's resume meets the requirements for job description and the keywords. So I just click save. So now what I did is I gave it a bit of context. I'm going to click submit and see the response. Okay, so it was now a little bit more specific, this Gemini model. Remember, this is still Gemini. It's just now the Gemini inside the Google Cloud space. So I'm able to tweak it a little bit more using the system instructions. I could probably even do a few more things, like also paste my CV as well and see what it thinks about it. But let's look at the response. It says, focus on data mining, expertise in predictive modeling, proficiency in TensorFlow and PyTorch, that's good. Show my expert Python skills. Maybe I could show some of my HackerRank listings or GitHub. Cloud computing with Vertex AI, natural language processing, some key skills, and it tells me the recommendation saying increase model accuracy by 15% and such. So now what I did is just a quick demonstration of how Google Cloud's Gemini, both the free, advanced, or the Vertex AI version, help out. If you want to know more exactly of how Google Cloud's Vertex AI works and how it differs a bit from the free or open versions, please feel free to check out the course. But hopefully this can teach you how to fix your resume so it highlights a little bit better. Remember, when you're applying, always try to add your own personal touch to your resume. Don't let an AI do everything for you. I have a lot of friends that work in recruitment, and they hate when they feel that the resumes are generic. But use AI to help you identify how you should structure your resume. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and best of luck to you with your job hunt if you're looking at this video while looking for a job.